Woke up stiff, lower back aching, zero energy? Let's reset your posture and your power. If you slept curled up or sit all day, your back's compressed and your core is offline. This flow will change that in minutes. After the final move, it's going to unlock space in your spine you forgot you had. Let's hit the mat. This flow right here, it's how we tell your spine you're safe to move again. Start in child's pose, knees wide, forehead down, arms extended. Inhale, shift forward into cobra. Hips drop, chest lifts. Exhale, push back into child's pose. Flow slowly and smoothly. Each rep should feel like a wave moving through your spine, massaging tension out of your lower back and belly. I promise, if you do this every morning, your lower back will feel stronger, looser, and more alive within a week. Beginners, keep your elbows soft in cobra. Advanced stretches, add a slight twist at the top of each cobra. Did you know your spine rehydrates and expands first thing in the morning? But only if you move it right. This is that right way. Move with intention, not speed. Can you feel more with less? Is your lower back resisting? That's okay. This is exactly what it needs. Now let's wake up the core that supports that entire spine. This move is all about control, not speed. From tabletop, extend your right arm forward and left leg back. Keep hips square and spine neutral. Hold for 2 seconds, then return and repeat. You'll feel a deep line of energy from fingertip toes and core engagement through the belly. I promise this will stabilize your back better than crunches ever could. Beginners, keep the foot low. Advanced stretches, add a crunch in between each rep. Most people shake here, not from weakness, but because their deep stabilizers are waking up for the first time today. Try it slower. More control equals more results. Can you keep your hips level? That's your core doing its job. That just activated your stabilizers. Let's even it out on the other side. Now balance it out. Notice how this side might feel different. Extend left arm, right leg. Reach through the heel, press through the palm. Breathe, control, hold. Beginners, tap the floor for balance. Advanced stretches, hover the limbs and close your eyes. Your brain uses this movement to map your body. This boosts your coordination for the entire day. Can you hold the final rep for 5 full seconds? Did this side feel harder? That's your weak link. We're fixing it. Now that we've activated your core, let's stretch it all out. This is where everything softens. Sit tall, legs extended. Inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale, a forward fold from the hips, not the spine. Relax the head and shoulders. You'll feel a deep calming stretch from your calves to your spine. Beginners, bend your knees slightly. Advanced stretches, grab your toes and pull gently. This stretch activates your parasympathetic nervous system, meaning it literally tells your body to relax. Can you sink just 1 inch deeper? Are you pulling or relaxing? Let gravity do the work. Your back is loose, your legs are soft. Let's mobilize the joints next. The smallest joints hold some of the most tension. Sit comfortably or stand. Begin rolling your wrists in one direction and then the other. Switch to ankle circles. Slow, intentional movement. You'll feel a gentle warmth spreading into your extremities. Energy beginning to circulate. Beginners, keep it light. Advanced stretches, add resistance bands or stand while balancing on one leg. These small rolls increase blood flow to your hands and feet, boosting alertness and coordination. Can you roll opposite directions at the same time? Are you stiff in the wrists or ankles? That's often a sign you're not moving enough throughout your day. This changes that. Now that the edges are mobile, let's hit one final stretch to open the front of the body. Finish standing tall. This is your posture reset. Stand tall, grab your right ankle behind you. Press your knees together, engage your core, feel the front of your thigh open. Switch sides after 30 seconds. Beginners hold onto wall. Advanced stretches add an overhead reach or hinge forward. Most people's hip flexors are shortened from sitting all day. This stretch reverses hours of damage. Try letting go of the wall for the last 5 seconds. Can you balance? Do your hips feel aligned now? You just did the work to support them. But if you spend hours at a desk, your body needs more than this one session. That's why I created the 3-day reset. It'll keep you pain-free, mobile, and strong all day. Click the link now before your body slips back into desk mode. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.